So we have more problem here. Find the function value. So we have number 21. F of x is equal to x squared plus 2, and they want us over x minus 5, and they want us to find f of 0 and f of minus 3. So we plug in 0 to every x. So we have 0 squared plus 2 over 0 minus 5, and we get a minus 2 over 5. And then we plug in minus 3. So we have minus 3 squared plus 1 over minus 3 minus 5. Then we get a positive 9 plus 2 over minus 3, and a minus 5 is a minus 8. Then this will equal to 11 over minus 8. And then we have f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3 over 3x plus 1, and they want us to find f of 2 and f of minus 3. So f of 2 is equal to 2 times 2 squared minus 3, and then 3 times 2 plus 1. So this is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, and then minus 3. And then 3 times 2 is a 6, plus 1 is a 7. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, and this is over 7. So f of minus 3 is equal to 2 times a minus 3 squared minus 3, and then on the bottom 3 times a minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9 times 2 is equal to 18 minus 3 over 3 times 3 is a 6 minus 6 plus 1. So this is equal to 18 minus 3 is equal to 15 over a minus 5. This is equal to a minus 3. Next one, 22. So 23. So we have f of x is equal to the absolute value of 2x minus 9. Then find f of 4 and f of minus 5. So we have f of 4 is equal to the absolute value of 2 times 4 minus 9 is equal to 2 times 4 is equal to 8 minus 9. This is equal to a minus 1, which is equal to a 1. So a minus 5, so f of minus 5 is equal to 2 times a minus 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 10 minus 9. So the absolute value of 19, and absolute value means you disregard the sign, so this is a minus 19, so it become a plus 19. So we have more room here. So 24. So we have f of x is equal to the absolute value of x squared minus 12, and they want us to find f of minus 3 and f of 6. So f of minus 3 is equal to the absolute value of a minus 3 squared minus 12 is equal to plus 9 minus 12 is equal to 9 minus 12 is equal to a minus 3, and the absolute value of a minus 3 is a plus 3. So f of 6 is equal to the absolute value of 6 squared minus 12. This is 6 times 6 is equal to 36 minus 12 is equal to, so 36 minus 12, so 4, and 3 minus 1 is a 24, so it's 24. So next one, we have f of x is equal to x squared plus 7x minus 1, and they want us to find f of 0 and f of minus 3 and absolute value. So the absolute value of 0 is equal to 0 squared plus 7 times 0 and minus 1. So this is 0, 0, and it become a minus 1. And then f of minus 3, so we have a minus 3 squared plus 7 times a minus 3 minus 1. So minus 3 times a minus 3 is a positive 9. And then we have here 7 times 3 is 21. So we have this absolute value, then minus 1. So 9, then plus 21, because we disregard the sign. So we have 9 plus 21 plus minus 1, so 9 become 20, 30. Minus 1 is equal to 29.